bitch ass nigga about to go get his gun. Boy, yo, ugly as fuck. Before he get his gun, I just wanted to let you know that you's a bitch, bro. Been this long without a gun. You see, me personally, I wouldn't deal with that. That's just me though.
Did you start recording?
Yeah, it's been recording.
Oh, hi guys. Getting to stay tuned. ALBY's gonna be posting mad fire shit.
You feel me?
Y'all better subscribe. WW.
W, all in the chat. I don't know. No. He ammo. All I need. You know he happy as hell inside. Like he trying not.
Alright, let me get a quick second.
This shit a little hard though. Finally, bro. Oh my gosh. Took you long enough. Okay. You have the Drake here?
I don't have a Draco here, but basically the AK-47 and 9mm. So little shorty.
You could carry this?
We have a trench coat, yeah. I don't see why. Yeah. It's pretty cool. They're pretty fun.
Time funny we posted up with that one, but just like this. Does this it? It's just a little hard.
Yeah, it good. That's the card.
Picture like this.
Don't play with him. What the fuck?
Feels amazing right now. This one I'm about to get. This the 223?
This one?
Yeah.
Eu sei exactement sometimes again.
That's the one Fabrice has.
You sei exactement sometimes again on trap last.
Yeah. It's that's that one. I think you could carry this with you too, right? This the one that I pistol cardboard.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah, this the one I wanted. Hey, I'm not promoting violence, I'm promoting guns.
Don't play. Clock it.
Yeah, you get that, I'm never talking to you. See that? I'm not fucking with you get that. Damn, he don't even know how to hold it yet. He's still confused. Look at his trigger hand. Quickly. Yeah. Proud of you, dog. How you feeling? Amazing. I'm so proud of him, bro. I remember when he didn't even have one, bro. And I didn't know how to tell him, but I just couldn't hang out with him. And I just want to say, life is getting real, man. Like, look at my dog. He's growing up, man. Like when he first learned how to tie.
It's gonna be very.
He's about to get his bullet for the first time. The emotions are hitting me right now. I can't seem to think. I'm proud of him. He's making it. I'm proud of you. You start living the way you live, man. Sometimes your dog got your back. You put your dog in, you feel me? Where's yours?
They don't loosen up because they'll felt to wear off.
Yeah.
It's okay, I got you.
Yeah.
You got me.
Got you, cuz. That's cuz O. That's cuz O. Yeah. Yo, and then look, when I get me a daughter, I'm finna buy me one of these. So when you other niggas play crazy,
I just gave him the suit. I told him if it loosens up too much, what's going on?
What's up with it? What date?
A date.
We only got one date. A death date.
What? Welcome back to another video. Look, we just got here at the shooting range. It's about to be Christian's first time shooting a gun. I haven't bust my gun in a minute though, y'all. So I don't know if I'm a little rusty. Hold on, let me lock the car. Yeah, I don't know if I'm a little rusty, but you know, a shooter never loses it. You feel me? Since I was a kid, I've been shooting. If y'all don't know, man, you feel me? Ain't no gangster shit. Just know I'm like that. Under no pressure. What you talking about? But yeah, we about to go in right now. You about to see how this young nigga shoot, you feel me? He might have it. Oh, this a free ass bin. That's an S here. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Oh, this is the one I want too. This is my shit. About to go in right now.
Shit, I got this.
I ain't busted. Hold on. This nigga got gloves. The fuck? I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, you killed it.
Ah, the block was on that.
You feel? Hey, you see that? Ah,
Oh, you didn't finish the paper.
yeah. You could really do that shit. I promise you, that's your business.
Hey, this nigga. But I go shoot. He shot that boy dead in his.
Nah, that nigga got shot in his shit.
I'ma kill her. I ain't go for it.
Nah,
It
I
ain't
hit
gonna be my
him.
fault though.
I hit him too, boy.
I tried.
And he got wetter.
Oh man.
That nigga. I love my bitch. My bitch is set. My bitch. My bitch. Ready? Going in.
Combien pour la game? 9?
Huh?
How much you shit got?
13.
Push it back, push it back.
I think y'all.
That bitch got kicked to it. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, boy, you was shooting everywhere.
Oh, she got shot.
Yeah, she got murdered.
Shit, that man is dead.
Bitch, murdered.
Huh?
Google load me?
Nah.
Oh, I killed them.
Wait. Hey, look at his face, dog. Hey, Chris, you ready? Hold on. Hey.
Bust that forward.
Yeah, put the bitch in Russia. Bitch got damn. Yeah, you killed the bitch.
I killed both of them.
First time busting a fucking Drake. Yo, I'm finna drop the video. That boy came, you know, yo, I've been wanting to bust. Yo,
often though.
you feel me?
Clutch.
That nigga came mad and clutch, man. He said you wanna.
Try to shoot.
He said you wanna shoot it? I said, hey, y'all scary ass. I see. That boy Ryan said, nah. No, I ain't gonna lie, he exaggerated this shit. That nigga said, what he say? He said, that shit got a kill.
Yeah,
that shit got that nigga. I said, nigga, what? My muscle ass. I better hold this fucking Drake. The first shot, I said, nah, ain't nothing. Second shot, yeah. I'm letting this bitch rip. Oh, my bad. I'm letting that motherfucker rip. Huh? Yeah, I wish. I'd have been happy.
He was talking the same thing was good for all of us to shoot.
Nah, he was like, who wants to bust that bitch? Oh my God.